Technology and Livelihood Education. Agriculture and Fishery Arts for Grade 7. Week 5. Our topic is Farm Waste Processing. What is farm waste? Farm waste refers to any unwanted or byproduct materials generated from farming activities, crop production, livestock, and agro-processing. Instead of disposing it, farm waste can be recycled and turned into valuable resources like compost. What is farm waste processing? Farm waste processing is the collection, segregation, treatment, and conversion of farm waste into useful products. It helps reduce pollution, improves soil health, saves money, and supports sustainable farming. Why do we need to process the farm waste? It reduces environmental pollution. It improves soil fertility and structure. It can cut down fertilizer cost. It converts waste into valuable products. It supports circular and sustainable agriculture. Farm waste refers to materials produced during farming activities that are no longer useful for their original purpose. Farm waste can be biodegradable, can decompose naturally, or non-biodegradable, does not decompose easily. Types of farm waste. First is the crop waste or plant waste. It is the waste from harvested crops and plants, usually biodegradable, and can be composted like rice straw, corn stalks, dried leaves, and vegetable and fruit crops. 2. Animal waste. Waste produced by farm animals. Rich in nutrients and can be processed into organic fertilizer or biogas, like cow, pig, and chicken manure and animal bedding. 3. Organic farm waste. These are the natural materials that decomposed easily and improve soil fertility, like grass clippings, leaves, fruit peels, and crop residues. 4. Plastic waste. Plastic materials used in farming that do not easily decompose, like plastic mulch, fertilizer sacks, seeding trays, irrigation pipes, and plastic bags. 5. Chemical waste. These are the leftover or empty containers of agricultural chemicals that require proper disposal, like empty pesticide bottles, herbicide containers, and chemical fertilizer bags. 6. Metal waste. The old or damaged metal materials and equipment from the farm, like rusted tools, scrap metals, broken wire fence, and old nails. 7. Glass waste. These are the broken or empty glass containers used in the farm. 8. Rubber waste. Worn-out rubber materials from farm operations, like used tires, rubber hoses, belts, and old boots. How farm waste is processed. 1. Collection. Gather all types of farm waste from fields, barns, and processing areas. 2. Segregation. Sort waste based on type, biodegradable or the organic, and non-biodegradable. Remove plastic, metal, and glass. 3. Size reduction. Chop or shred large materials like leaves, stalks, branches, into smaller pieces for faster decomposition. 4. Treatment or conversion. Convert waste into useful products like compost, vermicast, biogas, or mulch. 5. Utilization. Use the processed products to enrich soil, grow crops, or as organic fertilizer. Benefits of farm waste processing. For cleaner and safer farm environment. Healthier soil and stronger plants. Higher crop yield and quality. Lower production cost, and promotes sustainable and eco-friendly farming. Composting is a natural process that decomposes organic materials into a nutrient-rich soil conditioner called compost. It improves soil fertility, structure, and water-holding capacity. These are the materials needed for composting. Step-by-step procedure for compost making. 1. Prepare the site. Choose a shaded, well-drained area. It can be a compost pit, compost bin, or open pile. 2. Collect and prepare materials. Collect farm waste. Chop or shred large materials into small pieces. 3. Layer the materials. Make layers. 1 layer of dry materials for carbon, then 1 layer of green materials for nitrogen. 4. Add decomposers. Sprinkle decomposer solution or cow dung slurry on each layer to speed up decomposition process. 5. Moisten the pile. Add water. The pile should be moist like wrung-out sponge. Not too wet, not too dry. 6. Cover the pile. Cover with banana leaves, sack, or soil to retain moisture and heat. This protects it from sun and heavy rain. Tips for successful composting: maintain proper moisture. Keep the pile moist, not soggy, maintain carbon-nitrogen balance. Ideal ration is 25 to 30 parts to 1 part nitrogen, provide air. Turning or aeration prevents bad odor and speeds up decomposition. Avoid adding diseased plants, meat or oil waste, be patient. Good compost takes time. Compost usage. Mix with soil before planting. Use as top dressing for crops. Apply around fruit trees or vegetables. It improves soil fertility and crop productivity. Remember, the best way to manage waste is not to waste it. Recycle today and harvest a better tomorrow. Farm waste sorting activity. Simple composting demonstration. Directions. Study the pictures showing how farm waste is turned into compost. Write a short explanation for each step. Then write a reflection regarding this activity.
A time to remember. This is Dr. Mylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Teacher Mylene. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.